guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's vlog, I am going to be showing you how I cook and prepare my family Sunday dinner. I hope you enjoy. Okay, before I start seasoning my chicken, I had to make sure my hands was nice and clean, so I got them washed off. We're gonna start off by seasoning it with just regular normal black pepper. The second season I'm gonna grab is Mrs. Dash garlic and herb. No sodium. I like using this on almost every one of my dishes that I prepare. The third seasoning that I am using is Kinder's roast chicken. If you guys have not got this, I recommend that you buy it. It's a really light seasoning and I like it how it tastes on your food. The fourth seasoning is parsley, of course. It really doesn't do too much to your food, but it does make it look nice. So I just went ahead and added that on top. We're going to be adding some Kinder's buttery garlic and herb. I love this. I swear by this. This is my favorite. I'm glad that I purchased it. The last topping I'll be adding is some chopped onions. And then I'm going to be adding some olive oil and then a little bit of water. And this will be going in the oven. Okay, I did go ahead and preheat the oven to 375, and it usually takes when I bake my chicken about an hour and a half. So now I'm getting started on making some Jiffy cornbread. I went ahead and got the mixing bowl, 2 eggs because I am using both boxes. I got some milk and I've already buttered both pans. I got 2 different type of pans, the metal sheet pan and the glassware. So we're going to go ahead and get started and start mixing the ingredients. And then we're going to put those in the oven, and it usually takes maybe between 25 minutes, 15, 20, 25 minutes. It just depends on how fast your oven works. Okay, so right here I just took about 6 pieces of chicken, and now I am pouring the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. My opinion on this, I really do like it. It does have a tang to it, so I don't mind purchasing. Again, it was pretty good and I like this. But we're gonna go ahead and get these put back in the oven. Guys, everything is done for dinner. This is what I cooked my family for Sunday dinner. Big chicken. We got some peas going. I just put butter in there. It's already canned peas, so it's got enough salt, and I did not add pepper. So it's just buttered peas, baked chicken, cornbread, and this. I took some chicken out of this pan, the other pan I should say, and put it in here and put the Baby Ray's barbecue sauce on it. So we are going to throw down, eat dinner. Thank God that we have food provided for us. And if you guys like these type of videos, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, share the video so we can continue to grow over here on my vlog channel. Happy Sunday, you guys. Blessful Sunday, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye, y'all.